Ever wondered about the relation between GDP at factor cost and net domestic product at market prices? Well, let me break it down for you. GDP at factor cost measures the total value of goods and services produced within a country's borders, while net domestic product at market prices takes into account depreciation and indirect taxes. So, essentially, GDP at factor cost is the starting point, and net domestic product at market prices is the final value after adjusting for certain factors. It's like going from the raw data to the refined version. Understanding this relationship helps us get a clearer picture of a country's economic performance. So, next time you hear these terms, you'll know what they mean.